Charlie, the long-necked dinosaur. A long time ago, there lived a dinosaur named Charlie who was good and well behaved with everyone. However, he had a very long neck that he was not happy about. His friends would make fun of him for his long neck, which made him feel very sad. One fine day, Charlie's friend invited him to a house party. He was very excited about it and put on his best suit and bow. As Charlie was about to enter his friend's house, his head bumped against the wall and he could not enter because of his long neck. Everyone started laughing and making fun of him. Charlie's eyes brimmed with tears and he ran away crying profusely. He ran so fast that he did not realize where he was going. He told himself, "I hate my long neck. It makes me look like a fool. I'll never be of use to anyone." Soon, he found himself in the forest and lost his way back home, tired from all the crying and running. Charlie fell asleep beside a tall tree. In the morning, Charlie woke up to the sound of someone crying very bitterly. He looked around but could not see any creature. He then asked, "Who is crying? Show yourself." A quivering voice said, "It's me, I'm at your feet, look down." Charlie bent to see a small plant at his feet with tears in its eyes. On asking the plant why it was crying, the plant said, "I am not able to grow because the tall trees block all the sunlight from reaching me. I too want to grow tall like them, and it's not just me but many of us." Charlie felt bad for the plants and thought about how he could help them. Suddenly, he had an idea. He promised the small plants to help them out. Charlie used his long neck to reach the branches of the tall trees and ate up enough leaves to make way for sunlight to reach the ground. He did not, however, eat up all the leaves so that even the tall trees could live. The small plants were so happy that they started singing and rejoicing in the sunlight. They thanked Charlie for his help and became good friends with him. Charlie finally realized that he too can be useful to others and that he should be proud of his good qualities. Moral of this story: every individual has some hidden talent and good qualities. Each one is blessed with something special and we must work hard to use our talents to the best of our abilities. Through the story of Charlie, we should learn to never give up or think less of ourselves. We have been made in a certain way for a special purpose, and the right people will always appreciate and acknowledge our achievements. So work hard and be good.